Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Coming to the precautionary part, which is very important. If you're suffering right now from hair fall, or if you want to, take care without preventing hair fall, you want to take care so that you don't want to face this hair fall, what are certain precautions that you have to follow? Proper nutrition, very important. See, as we have shown in the picture here, divide your plate into four parts. First part should be your greens or the vegetables. The second and the third part should be your protein. It can be vegetable protein or it can be animal protein, that is vegan protein or animal protein. And the fourth part should be a carbohydrate, that is whatever rice you're eating, chapatis, rotis, bread, anything will come into your carbohydrate section. If you're dividing your plate like this and eating every 3 meals that you're having, that you're taking, that is your breakfast, your lunch and your dinner, if you're dividing like this and eating, you will not face, or you will reduce the risk of facing hair fall. Other than that, stress management is very important. If you're in too much of mental or emotional stress, try taking a counseling session. Apart from that, try doing yoga. Stretching is very important for stress management. Try stretching as well as try doing pranayamam or breathing exercises. Try walking in different locations so that you will feel the freshness, and also your stress will be coming down. If you're having physical stress, like after an infection you're having some sort of stress, that is immune reaction after an infection, make sure you take nutritional supplements properly, and also good food. Good sleep is also very important for physical stress as well as for mental stress. Do not choose anything very abrupt for your hair which will affect your hair. Understand the hair, understand your scalp, understand your condition and use. And then avoid unnecessary styling, which is very important. Avoid blow dries if your hair has started to become really thin. And then treating the underlying condition, which is addressing the cause. It can be autoimmune disease, it can be stress, it can be physical stress, it can be genetic predisposition, anything. Trying to treat it is very important, because it can go into a bad prognosis. And then sun protection. Remember, hair is not for aesthetic purposes, hair is for protection. In the structure, we have told about structure, but what is the function? It is thermoregulating. That means it is helping in regulating the body temperature. Whenever you're going out, your hair is the one that is protecting your scalp directly from the sun's rays, that is from the UV rays. So if you're not having hair, if you're having bald spot especially, and if you're having autoimmune disease and you're going into sun, that can trigger a lot of inflammatory condition. So try protecting your hair, because that is especially needed. And sun protection is really important if you're suffering from psoriasis, if you're suffering from any sort of hair fall, as it can trigger more hair fall. Try using physical barriers like caps or umbrellas or scarves. Coming into the neglect part, what happens if you neglect this alopecia areata? First thing, your hair will start to fall off really badly, and you can have bald spots on your scalp or on your body, and that can go severely where you can become completely bald. But that is not the problem. The problem is the autoimmune disease. If this is triggered too much, it can cause a bad reaction overall in your body. So it can cause other autoimmune diseases also to appear, like SLE, psoriasis can be triggered, rheumatoid arthritis can be triggered, other autoimmune diseases also can be triggered, and this autoimmune disease can also go into the worst. So please consult doctor if you're suffering from alopecia areata. If you're watching this video, if you're suffering from any sort of hair fall, it can be male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness, it can be telogen effluvium, it can be alopecia areata, it can be alopecia universalis or alopecia totalis, anything, and you are looking for cure, here at Fidicus Homeopathy, we have two options. One is the online consultation option if you are staying far away from us, and the other one is in-person or offline consultation if you are staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus Homeopathy. So in online consultation, we have two options. One is the audio consultation, the other one is the video consultation. After the consultation, if you need any sort of investigations, we will let you know. If you have any sort of investigations, you can share it with us. And after this process has come to an end, we will be sending you medications to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. If you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, message us, or ping us on this number. If you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're suffering from hair fall, male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness, telogen effluvium, alopecia universalis, alopecia totalis, alopecia areata, any hair fall problem which is regarding to the hormonal fluctuation, any hormonal problem also. If you're looking for cure, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy for highest chance of health. Here we follow three principles. First is already the cases that we are dealing have a high success rate. The transparent treatment, that is, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be talking to you about your prognosis as well. And the third thing, that is the personal care here at Fidicus, is top notch. If you have any sort of queries, if you have any sort of doubts, we will be clearing you on that as well. If you want to choose cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.